we're going to click on the plus icon on the left-hand side here to create a new automation, and we're going to create our starter on a schedule here. So we'll choose on a schedule, and let's say weekdays at 8 a.m. So that gives you some options here. And what it's done here is saying every weekday at 8 a.m. and you can set when it ends. So I'm just going to say never. This is just our cadence for this agentic workflow. So we've got that set now. And what we do after this is just add steps that we want it to progress through each time it runs. So I'm going to click on choose a step. And this one is going to ask Gemini. And I'm going to first paste in prompt 1. And we'll give access to these prompts in the description below. I'll just quickly skim through this. So we're telling it to find information in a particular industry. So I'm going to say AI for subject expert. It's saying what to search for, in what order, what to exclude, so we don't want opinion pieces and generic commentary, and it's showing what the format should be. So what we're wanting is a headline, the source, what has happened, and why it matters to us. At the bottom here, we can say where it sources this information from. I'm only going to look for this on the web. I don't want to look for it in my own Google Workspace. That's step 1. We'll add another step now, which takes this information and curates it and processes it into a brief that we can use. So I'm just going to paste in my second prompt now. Again, this is an Ask Gemini type prompt. We're asking AI for information here. And this one is taking the briefing information that it's received in the previous step and putting it into a certain structure and ensuring that this is something that we can digest in under 3 minutes. One key thing we need to do here is paste in the output from prompt 1. And to do this, we move the cursor here to where we want it to be added. And if we scroll down, we've got the option here to include variables, and we've got step 2, and we can click on the created content that's been created by Gemini here. So we can see that we've got this variable included here. Finally, what I'm going to do is click add step, and now I want this to notify me by email. And I can choose the subject. If I wanted to, I could push in variables and make so that the subject line changes if I want to. But I'm just going to say Mark's daily briefing. And in here, all I'm going to do is choose variables, and then it's step 3 that we want to include here. You could also include some context around this if you wanted to as well. Now we've got that set up, I'm going to do a test run, and we can see that that's running through the steps now. When I click start, it will do. It's going to curate that information using Gemini, process it, and then send me an email. So as we can see, this has come through now. We've got our email titled Mark's Daily Briefing, and we've got some information about what's going on, what happened, what this means, and links. So naturally, this prompt can be customized for your own needs, and if you want different information, then that's all possible. But you can see here the power of this process. We've got our information sourced via AI and delivered directly to our inbox. The last thing we need to do is give this a title. So I'll say Mark's Daily News Feed, and I'm going to click turn on. Each morning at 8 o'clock, I'll receive this curated news feed directly to my inbox.